Hello and welcome to another episode, our trading review. Remember the last video we uploaded yesterday was on the 4th of December. Today is the 5th of December, and we are going to go through some of the trades that we had analyzed, some of the pairs that we had analyzed. Today we want to go through a summary of how far they've gone, and we see what we look forward to again this week. Yeah, remember yesterday we had, let me pull up my notepad here. Let me do another notepad. Okay. Yesterday we had identified some setups. One of them, one of the pairs that we thought would have some good movement was CAD, Swiss franc. We were waiting for a reversal to buy. Yeah, we were waiting for reversal and we were looking to buy this reversal. As you can see, let me move this over here. Let me just move this over here. So that was one of the pairs we identified yesterday. Let me just make this a little bigger. Up to there. Yeah, up to there. Yes, I think that will do. So on this, we had hoped for a reversal, since we're at a key area that had been respected by price before. We're looking at the daily chart. Price is in that region which we had marked off, and if we look at the hourly chart, we see that price probably reacted off that zone already. Yeah, as you can see, price got into that zone and reacted. So if you had placed a trade when price got into there, you'd have had your 55 pips on that. So that would have been a basic trade, nice good trade to enter. Had you taken that pair, had you traded that pair, that was a nice buy. We're still in that area. You see, price is responding to this zone again. So we're still in a buy zone. Yeah, we'd be looking for buys within this zone. So that is still viable. You can look at the video that we posted yesterday to see the trade that we're talking about. The next trade we had analyzed, the next pair we had analyzed was CADJPY, Japanese yen. And on this one, we had also said we're going to have a potential reversal. Potential reversal. So we would buy. Yeah. Yep, we would buy on this other one. Let's see, view, format, wardrobe. Yeah, that is going to give us what we want. So there we go. So if we bring up the chart of CADJPY, let's look at the daily. Is a daily, and CADJPY. This is CAD Japanese yen. Look at this. Remember, yesterday was Sunday. Look at Monday. Look at how far price has gone. If we measure this, price has done about 130 pips. So this was another good trade that we had analyzed yesterday, and some of these pairs we're going to keep on holding because we hope that price will go a little further up as we had marked yesterday. So this has given us this is 100 plus pips. 100 plus pips. Yeah, as of today. Yes. So the other pair that we had looked was EURGBP. This is EURGBP. We looked to sell this to this zone. We looked to come from this zone here, from where it was all the way down to this zone. Since there were better pairs to trade, I didn't personally trade this pair, but still it's a potential sell for me. I'm looking for sells from where it is up to this zone. Since this zone here is a zone that has been respected, price has played around here, so I expect this to be support and price will go up. So Euro GBP, I didn't trade this, but it's still a good sell. Euro GBP potential sell. Yeah. So the other pair that we had analyzed was Euro USD, and we're hoping for potential. Let's look at this chart as well. Come on, internet is a bit slow, but it's coming around. So this is the Euro US dollar. Okay, yes, so this is what happened. Remember, go and review the video of yesterday. We had hoped that at around this area price will turn around, and indeed it has turned around. We are targeting this up to down here, but for now let's calculate how many pips we've got since the turn. We have about 82 pips so far. Yes, it's also a potential sell. We are in profits, 80 pips. This is Monday. Yeah, this is Monday. The week is still young. So that's Euro US dollar. And the next pair that we had analyzed was GBP CAD. Yes, so GBP CAD. Let's see what they're giving us. On the GBP CAD, we had said that this is going to head into a zone that we're interested in. What is that zone? We had gotten the fib tool. That fib tool, let's see, apply defaults, and we had marked it up all the way up to there. You get that? And we're saying that this pair is heading into this fib zone here. Let's click the fib tool again, and we get zones heading into this fib zone here. So we expect price to act on that. So this was a potential buy for us. We haven't yet entered it. Potential buy into that zone, and then a potential sell away from that zone. So two things we're waiting to happen on this: potential buy into the fib zone, and a potential sell from rejection of the fib zone. Yeah. The other thing about this zone is, look at it. When you drag this line all the way this way, it's an area that was respected by price some time back here. So we are waiting to see what happens this time when price hits that area. So if price gets into that area, we might see nice things happening, and we could take a sell, or we could ignore it. But it looks like a nice buy into that zone and a nice sell later out of that zone. Yes, the next pair that we had analyzed was NZD Swiss franc. Yeah, that's NZD Swiss franc. Let's see what you're giving us. NZD Swiss franc. Yep. Load up. Okay, so this is one where we had said that this is a potential hold. You see, it has also, we drew the fibs on this yesterday, but we are still at a key fib level, which was also an area of resistance, an area that price stayed on, and we are hoping for a sell here. This one has played out as we had hoped, and if we measure the number of pips, those are the number of pips so far. Those are 69 pips in profits. 69 pips in profit on this pair. So this is one of the pairs that we are intending to hold to see what happens. Yeah, then the other pair that we are trading is gold, the account killer. Yeah, remember yesterday we had drawn all these zones. Look, review the video, yesterday's video, review the video. Yes, review that yesterday's video. Yes, review yesterday's video to see what you're talking about. So this pair, we had seen this level here. This is an area of support and resistance. At one time it was support, at another time it's resistance. So when price gets into that area where it had acted before, price is bound to respond in that area. And see what happened. It gave us a beautiful, 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 beautiful looking chart. That's over 300 pips, man. That's 300 pips. Tell me what you can do with 300 pips. 300 pips on gold. And looking at this, you see there is a potential area here where price may react. It may go back a little up there, and there's another potential zone here where price may react. If you're a supply and demand trader, that's another zone that you may want to look at. Yeah, that's another zone where price may turn. But for now, there is nothing affecting that trade. That trade is in. I've made over 300 pips on it, and I'm still counting. I'm going to reduce the size when we get to that level, and I'm going to reduce small size when we get to that level, because those are levels where price may react and go back up. You can, once price has moved like this, you move your stop loss to break even. Remember, your stop loss is your friend. Your stop loss is your friend. That is the only way you stay in the game, by having a good setup and having good risk management. The stop loss is your friend. I can't insist, I can't sing enough about that. The stop loss is your friend. And again, disclaimer, this is just games for us. We are clicking. This is not financial advice. This is not advice for you to go and click or to place your entire livelihood onto this. This is just how we are analyzing the markets. We analyze the markets this way. You can choose to borrow from this wisdom and make your decisions. Make sure you research. Make sure you take trades that are researched, and only risk what you're able to lose. We are not responsible for your losses, though we will take credit for your wins. Yeah, and don't forget to like and comment on the videos, and tell us if you want. Tell us if you took a trade using these ideas, and let's keep on encouraging one another to in this very lonely journey of trading. Thank you. Ciao, sign out.